Another week, another fun recipe to make in Chef Jane's kitchen. Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel where we make easy, fun recipes at home with a little bit of twist. On today's menu, we're going to be making jollof rice without tomato paste. You guys know the number one ingredient for every jollof rice is tomato paste because it gives it that little nice, beautiful color and a little taste and a little smoke flavor. So we're going outside of the box today where we're going to be trying something without the tomato paste. So to begin with, I went ahead and put in all my ingredients, which I'll leave in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. I had onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, garlic, ginger, and basil. And I went ahead and seasoned it with some love with my favorite choice of seasoning. I allowed this roast for about 30 to 50 minutes and then took it out and put it in a blender. Added in some basil leaf again, which will be your scent leaf, and blended this until it was nice and smooth. Don't have to use tomato paste. You can try things and twist it up at home and make it fun. So you can also use smoked paprika, which will give it the color. So I went ahead and started the process. Added in my oil in the pot, added in some coconut oil for boost of flavor, and then went into adding my onions to fry until it was translucent. Then I went ahead and poured in this beautiful base sauce, which has all the goodness in it, and fried this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and transfer it to a bigger pot because you guys know when you're making jollof rice, it's going to definitely rise up. So you need space in your pot. If not, it's going to be all smushy. So I transfer it to a bigger pot. I will stir this and cook this on low heat until the color comes out. For about 5 to 10 minutes, you will see this beautiful color. I washed my rice and I went in and put in my parboiled rice in here and just stir this gently until it was well mixed and incorporated. Again, guys, adding your smoked paprika, it will bring out the color in your jollof rice. So I went ahead to begin seasoning with my favorite choice of seasoning, which you guys know the number one is always going to be Maggi cube. And then I had a mixed seasoning, which I already put in here. I have some nutmeg, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, curry powder, and a little bit of slap your mama seasoning. You can also use any choice of your favorite seasoning. I also added in my bay leaves and added in my chicken broth there inside my jollof rice. And I will leave all the seasoning and ingredients in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. And just mix this and stir this to incorporate it. I'll cover it with the foil paper and put my fire on low till the jollof rice cooks properly. Again, you want to make sure that your fire is not too high. Some people like the jollof rice extra wet. Some like it super dry. I'm just in between. So this is what I was going for, an in-between texture. So I will stir my jollof rice and mix it properly. Check to make sure that it's well done. Then I'll add in a little bit of butter. And then this is where we add in all the obstacles, the fun obstacles, right? Because we can't eat without meat. So I added in my suya, I added in my grilled shrimp, I added in my goat meat and my lamb mixed in here. I'm all about my meat in my jollof rice. Some people choose to make their meat on the side for their jollof rice, but since we're making a mixed one pot jollof rice, I'm going to add in some nice juicy proteins in here. So I'll mix this, stir this up, and then go ahead and add in my mixed vegetables in here. Again, guys, the secret to your mixed vegetable is not to put in the wet frozen vegetables immediately inside your jollof rice. I took it out, drained out the water, and put in some seasoning and put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, and then just went ahead and added it into my jollof rice. I'll add in my butter for flavor and texture because butter brings out the flavor in every jollof rice, and it also makes the jollof rice not to stick together. So I'll mix this and incorporate it very well to make sure that everything is properly blended and they're having a good relationship. Guys, this is the fun part of your jollof rice where you can just wait for it to take it off the fire and start enjoying it. I'll make sure that I put my heat on super low and just allow everything simmer and mix properly, and then go ahead and dish this out. And let me tell you, this is the easiest way to make jollof rice without tomato paste, and it's super delicious. It's fun. It has all the texture, the love inside. So try this recipe. This jollof was jollofing and it was a 9 out of 10, period. And again, the secret to making a good jollof rice without tomato paste is to use your smoked paprika, enough bell peppers, some nutmeg for flavor, some butter for extra flavor, and also that coconut oil helped it give it that boost. Comment below and tell me if you think you'll be trying this, and thank you for all the love and support. Stay tuned. I will see you next week on another recipe. Please do hit the like, share, subscribe button for more fun recipes, and share this to your friends as well. Thank you. Bye.